Alright, sige po. Wait lang po ah. Okay. Alright, sige. Dali lang. Sige po, so share ko lang po very briefly yung aking kwento sa inyo today. No? So I met Herbalife Nutrition 10 years ago. What I didn't like about it, masyado po akong workaholic. No? I was a former full-time employee and part-time hair and makeup artist. No? I don't have much time sa family, especially being a present mom sa aking mga chikiting. Okay? And very unhealthy po yung lifestyle ko no. Series of meetings, mga field work, very unhealthy po. Mahilig po ako sa mga unli rice, no? So, hindi maganda sa pakiramdam, mabigat, no? Mabigat yung pakiramdam ko. And, of course, we got started. We tried the 10-day Nutrition Club program. Yung na-share po sa inyo ni Coach Rafi, doon na po kami nagsimula. Pinalitan namin ang aming almusal. We found the solution at Herbalife. No, that is really all about nutrition and at the same time yung active lifestyle po, no? And yung 7 pillars of good health na share din po yan sa inyo kanina. Amazing. Ayan, pasensya na po, nandito po ako sa Nutrition Club. But anyway, it's very amazing. Bakit po? Doon po talaga na-appreciate yung value of having a community, of not being alone sa journey mo to really become healthier, no, and more fit na version ng iyong sarili, no? Not only that, but also yung sa spiritual po natin, overall po, no, whole po, no? So I'm already 46. I have 3 kids. I also have an Herbalife baby. I really love Herbalife Nutrition. I'm so excited for the future, no? As in, galing lang kami ng Bohol, di ba? We attended the Dream Team Retreat. It is just so unbelievable, no? So, kaya hindi pwedeng hindi tayo sumabay, di ba? Sa takbo ngayon ng Herbalife Nutrition. So, nakita niyo yan, yung Premier League. Isa din po yan sa tinatrabaho namin ngayon, no? In really helping our community. Ayan po, sige. So, that's why I love Herbalife. Sige. At ngayon, ito po yung pinakamaganda dito, di ba? Dito sa journey na to, we become more everyday at kagaya nito, magta-topic po ako sa inyo. Hindi po ako doktor. Ako po ay isang wellness coach at Herbalife, professional Herbalife distributor, ha? Pero ang topic natin ay mula sa topic ni Dr. David Heber, no? So it's all about nutrition. Why? Number 20, male and female abdominal fat. Okay? Ayan po. So, ang kwento po natin dito, ang sabi nga ni Dr. David Heber, no? Both men and women, madalas po, yung pagkakuha natin ng extra abdominal fat inside the body, okay, is when we eat more calories than we burn. Okay? So, kaya kung nakikita ninyo, nababanggit talaga sa inyo dyan, yung magic wallet, calorie wallet po ninyo. It's really very important and mindful that you know the capacity of your body. Otherwise, lahat po ng excess po ninyo, alam niyo na kung saan po yan mapupunta. So yan, nakita niyo naman po dyan sa picture, no, kung nasaan. So you may just wanna take a picture of that one. Okay? Ngayon, ang hindi din po maganda is we used to laugh about it. Sometimes, di ba, we joke about it. Uy, buntis ka ba? Ganyan. But there's actually a serious thing about this. Okay, why? Abdominal fat attracts white blood cells from the bone marrow, okay, as it grows, causing inflammation. There's a serious thing happening pala, no? So all the while we thought, may bump ka lang dyan sa tummy mo, no? Pero hindi pala. Kasi meron po talaga siyang inflammation, no? Nagkakause siya ng inflammation sa loob. Okay? Ngayon, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, okay, let's take a note of this. Excessive abdominal fat may be serious because it places you at greater risk, not only you, but we as well, okay? And of course, all our family members and loved ones, no, at greater risk for developing obesity-related conditions such as type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and coronary artery disease, okay? Ngayon, Coach, I don't have the Tanita, no problem. Why? Because of course, for the Centers for Disease, it indicates here that our waistline may be telling you, okay, that you have a higher risk of developing obesity-related conditions, okay? So, if you are a man, lalaki po ha, kung ang waist circumference po ninyo ay more than 40 inches na, okay? So, higher risk po kayo, alright, of developing obesity-related conditions. Kapag ka naman po non-pregnant woman, okay, hindi buntis ha, ayan, hindi buntis. Pag ang waist circumference naman po is more than 35 inches, okay, so take a picture of that one, guys. Ang kailangan nyo lang po ay medida. Okay, tape measure. Okay? After this, you may wanna do that. Okay? So, yun po siya. Ngayon, take a picture of this too. Kasi dito din po, tinuturo, paano ka ba talaga ang tamang pagsukat, no? Ng waist natin. Sabi dyan, you stand and place a tape measure, di ba, around your middle. Ayan, just above your hip bone, no? So, may picture dyan, guys, ha? So, ayaw ko na siyang i-discuss ng step 1 to 4 po. Pero picturean niyo po yan. Ganyan po magiging itsura dapat ng tape measure kapag nag-measure po tayo, ha? At makuha natin ng tama ang ating waist circumference. Okay? So, yan po siya. Ngayon, ano yung goal? Diba? Ano yung goal? Diba? Pwede bang mag-type kayo ng 1? Sino dito sa room ang gusto ng healthy? Maging healthy sila. Diba? So I think everyone would agree, right? So the goal really is to get rid of that abdominal fat. No matter what it takes. Get rid of that abdominal fat. Okay? And how? Diba? Paano natin yung pwedeng i-get rid of? Diba? So a lot of things are happening. Mga like a crash diet and everything, doing most of the time exercises, lalo na ngayon, no, running and running is a good thing, diba? But we do not forget that it's really all about balanced nutrition and healthy and active lifestyle. Okay, this is according to Dr. David Heber, no? So this can help us lose abdominal fat and reduce inflammation. Let's not forget the equation of 80% nutrition, 20% exercise. Hindi pwedeng puro takbo ka lang. Okay? So may kinalaman pa din po ang balanced nutrition. Okay? And with that one, let me bring to you, okay? All eyes here sa screen. Wala mo nang magsi-CR. Okay? Panoorin po natin ang isa sa mga highly esteemed doctors natin. Okay? Let me call on Dr. Luigi Graton.
We don't always examine what we eat every day. We may not realize our food choices could be hurting our health. I'm Dr. Luigi Groton, here to share the power of good nutrition and show you how simple choices can make you healthier. It all starts with having balanced nutrition. Essentially, that means 40% carbohydrates, 30% protein, and 30% healthy fats. Don't forget to add in fiber and stay hydrated. Carbohydrates are your body's preferred source of fuel, and many of them are packed with nutrients. Vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and dairy products are the best sources of carbs. Protein supports your immune system and helps build and maintain lean muscles. You can get protein from meats, fish, poultry, eggs, soybeans, quinoa, and peas. Fats are essential too. Avoid the unhealthy saturated kind and go for that fat that'll protect your heart. You can find healthy fats in salmon, avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Remember, good nutrition is a choice. Choose Herbalife Nutrition.
There you go, diba? So good nutrition is a choice, and thank you for choosing Herbalife Nutrition. Ayan po. Ang sabi din ni Dr. David Heber, you can't lose abdominal fat with diet alone. Yun din naman po. So we cannot just alisin lang siya. No, na we're just cutting down calories. No? So, and of course, yung pagbabawas nga ng pag-observe ng healthy eating habits natin. We must really exercise to burn it off while building up your muscle. Ayan po. Kaya naman, di ba? Our Virtual Nutrition Club, this community is really so amazing, guys. Bakit? We really have a supportive community. No? Kami ang support community ninyo. Kaya yung VNC natin na from Tuesday to Sunday, really make time for that. Okay? So pag Thursday morning po ito, meron tayong free workout. Masaya kasi may mga kasabay po kayo. No? Sa online po tayo. This is not available via FB Live, so you really have to go inside the Zoom. All right? So it's either si Coach Melba, Coach Louie, or Coach Chow ang makakasama natin during the workout. Okay? At meron din po tayo, no? So if you haven't been subscribed to Herbalife YouTube channel, please do, because a lot of exercises are there. No, ikaw na ang pumili kung ano ang gusto mo. Not only exercises, but also videos, di ba? Yung mga sa nutrition natin, mga cooking natin, no? Nandiyan din sila sila Susan Bowerman, no? And of course, other doctors that we have. Okay? So yan po siya. Take a picture of that one, guys. Habang nagaganto tayo or after this call, mag-subscribe na po kayo and check it out. Okay? And syempre naman, di ba? Dito sa journey natin of getting rid of that abdominal fat, no? Ano ba naman? Di syempre, we choose who's number one, diba? So Herbalife Nutrition is number one in the world in meal replacement and protein supplements combined, weight management and well-being, and healthy and active lifestyle nutrition. Say yes to good nutrition, diba? Herbalife has been recognized as a super brand in the Philippines. Super brand means you deliver yung promise ng product na yon, diba? So saan ka pa, diba? So say yes to good nutrition. Back to you, to my dear sister, Coach Lori Rivas. Thank you so much.